everybody, Asang Filipina, welcome back. So this is my outfit today. I'm gonna show you, this is my outfit. Okay, so I can dangle this. For today, I'm going to show you what I have here from Shein. Again, let's do unboxing. Tomorrow, I'm going to change my nail polish. So, I'm gonna pick again, like maybe I have to do black next. And then, for today, I'm excited for this. So, there's typhoon coming, like very strong one. And tomorrow, I have to pick up my other car, the new car. So, my Toyota Wigo still in the casa, kind of Toyota garage. It's not done yet for the repair and still waiting. So that's the bad here. In the Philippines, the insurance takes really long. So, okay. I have this 1, 2, 3 pairs of flip-flops. So I'm gonna try on also this one. Since I have my car tomorrow, I can show you my flip-flops in the car. So this is different kind of blue. This is blue. It's very nice. Can I try? Okay, next is lime blue. Very nice, also it's cute. I'm gonna take off the blue and try this green. Okay, next is this one. I also have my new anklet. I'll show you my anklet. Oh my god, it takes time. But just wait. I don't have scissor here. So cute. It's with stone. I I'll have to show you later. Closer. It's very cute. Only the cell phone that I'm using now, front camera is clear, but the back camera is like gray. So when I film my feet, the color change, like it becomes gray and white. So it's really look ugly. So I have also here, since it's almost Christmas. Wait, so what's this? Oh, it's for my leg. I'm gonna set that aside. So I have this light. It's broken. So I hope. Oh, I need battery for this. I can use battery for outdoor. I'm not sure how this works. Oops. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Oh, not so bad. I can only use battery. That's all that we have today. And I don't have, how do you call that when you plug in the lights, an outlet? I can only use battery for this. It's nice when I can use the electricity. But this is so cute also. Snowflakes. But this one with battery, I don't trust the brand. I don't trust the quality. And I don't trust this one also. It looks so cheap. So I will just give it to my neighbor. My neighbor will burn their house for this. No, I just don't trust this one. I don't like it. Because I cannot plug into the outlet. But never mind, all is good. I have a very beautiful flip-flops today. Okay, so this is all the flip-flops, and don't mind my two nail polish. This one my daughter do it for me, and this one the pink last time. And I'm gonna change that tomorrow. So this is my anklet. And this is my two nail polish. So this is the new flip-flops. So I really need to remove my nail polish today. And this one. So that's all for now, everyone, and I'll see you again next video.